Getting jacked is the easiest thing in the world. Many people overcomplicate it, and that's exactly why I've made a step-by-step program on how to get jacked. It's the link in the description, and it's also linked in my bio. And in this video, I've made everything you need to know to get jacked in the easiest way possible for free. Like in this video, I've made it my goal. So if you follow every single step that I'm talking about in this video, you will get jacked, and you'll never have to watch any other fitness video apart from this one. So pay attention. I know it may be hard, so put in some headphones and take notes. Like literally put this video on full screen, don't get distracted, and don't stop until you finish this video. You're gonna know everything. So, getting jacked 1,000,000% increases the chances of you getting laid from dating apps, social media, anywhere. Anywhere that uses internet, 1,000,000% increases the chances of you getting laid. Why? It's because you can't see your personality when you take a photo. You can't see your, your goals, your mindset, your discipline, what type of man you are, if you're funny, whatever. You can't see it through a photo. So therefore, if you increase your attractive body and you take a photo of your body, you're going to get so many more matches than if you would from not being jacked and being obese, or just being fat, or not even being in shape, having little muscles to your frame. So surely this gives you some motivation. If you're not getting any girls right now, it's because you're not jacked. Like, that's simply the way to put it. Overcomplicate anything. You want to stick to a workout split, right? Many people choose like upper, lower, full body, even push-pull legs. Even push-pull legs, push-pull legs, push-pull legs times Arnold. It doesn't matter what you choose. As long as you stick to this one workout and you constantly do it, that's how you're actually going to get progress. That's the only way you can progress with overload. There's no point of doing a workout for 3 weeks, then changing your workout, then changing your workout, then changing your workout. This don't make sense, and that's not how we grow. So don't overcomplicate training, bro. Just stick to one workout plan. Every single workout plan is good. Every single workout plan will make you grow. Every single workout plan is like built to make you grow. So just stick to it and do it every single time you go to the gym. Don't think about it. Don't use your brain. You're not an expert. I'm the expert. Trust me. Don't stick to your workout plan. Don't change it. Just because you saw Jeff Nippard say that upper lower is better than push-pull legs. Don't listen to it. If you're doing push-pull legs, then stick to push-pull legs. If you're doing upper lower, then stick to upper lower. If anyone tells you to change your split, like, sure, they may be bigger than you because they've been going to the gym for longer and they've been doing the workout split for longer. So don't change your workout split just because you think another one is better. You haven't got enough experience to say that. It's the same as telling people in Minecraft, because you just started playing Minecraft, right? And you saw some diamonds at level. This was before like minus, you know what I mean? This is like playing Minecraft and telling people diamonds spawn at level 30, when in reality diamonds spawn at level 12. Everyone knows that. That's when you strip mine. You strip mine at level 12. And it's the same advice as telling someone, yeah, the best way to find diamonds is when you dig at 30, because it just don't make sense. It don't make sense. And you're trying to convince other people that it's at 30 because you found diamonds 3 times at level 30. When in reality it's level 12 or 11 or 13, I can't remember which one it was, but it was something like that. But it's the same type of like answer, bro. Just because something works for someone else doesn't mean it will work for you. You know what I mean? So just stick to what works for you. And the most important part is you need to make sure you actually like your workout split. For instance, I love push-pull legs, and then I do chest and back, and then I do arms, and then I do legs, which is an Arnold split. So I do push-pull legs, and then Arnold. This is what I love doing, and this is what I can stick to for years. Yes, years. I wouldn't switch my workout. That's because I love it. I love training every single muscle group in that order, right? So you want to focus on stuff that you actually love doing, stuff that you actually like doing. That's the most important part to actually growing, because you don't want to go to the gym and be depressed and miserable because you're doing some workout that some YouTuber said is optimal, even though it's probably more optimal, but you don't enjoy it. You won't push as hard, you won't love it as hard, and you won't stick to it. And what's the point of sticking to something that you don't like? It's like choosing some bullshit ass business. Like, let's say you want to become a millionaire from selling vacuums, but you don't even like vacuums. What's the fucking point? Yeah, you're going to get money, but you're going to get money from selling fucking worms. If you love worms, why don't you sell worms instead of vacuums? Or let's say you love fucking potting. Let's say you love painting. And then you decide, yeah, I'm going to sell paintbrushes. It don't make sense. You don't love paintbrushes, you love painting. So why the fuck would you start a business that you don't like when you could start a business you love? That's the same way with getting jacked. Getting jacked It's the same way with everything in life, bro. You're gonna go to the gym, you're gonna work out, you're gonna push yourself, and you're not gonna get any results. And no one knows when you're actually gonna be jacked. No one knows when you're actually gonna grow. And this is the beauty in the gym. You can see how much someone is delusional by how big they are. Unless they take steroids. And yeah, I haven't took steroids, but many people thought I did take steroids. That's because I grew this much in 2 months. Look at the difference. It does look like I took steroids, don't it? I didn't. And that's because I know a secret that people don't know. It's in the link in my bio, it's in my course, and it's explained 100%. So, train like a maniac. This is probably the most important part. You need to train till failure. You need to go past failure. You don't have to. I know science says you should stick to 1 to 2 reps away from failure because it hurts and it's too much volume. But I've never listened to that, and I'm fucking jacked as fuck, right? I always go to failure. Every single exercise I do it until I can't. That's just the way that I am, and that's the way that I preach everyone to train. It don't matter about 1 to 2 reps from reserve, bro. Fuck the science. Fuck the science, bro. Just do. If you don't like going to failure, there's something wrong with you. Failure is the most fun thing that you can do at the gym. Imagine doing a set of biceps. No, imagine doing a set of squats, deep squats, and you're getting up and you can't, and then you have to throw the weight off, bro. That's the most fun thing you can do. I love going to failure. Going to failure is the thing that puts a smile on my face, bro. Then you don't even have to fuck the science, fuck everything else, bro. Just train till failure. Push yourself to your limits. Test your limits. And every single time you go to the gym again, you want to hit a PR. You want to get another rep. You want to get another set. Because the only way you're actually going to grow is by progressive overloading. So you actually need to track your workouts. This is going on to the next point that I haven't actually mentioned in here. But it's good because I'm running off the top of my head, which is good. I'm flowing with ideas. Which is fucking perfect. Brilliant. So you want to track your progress. Every single time you hit a lift, you want to put it on your notes app. Let's say you do bench press 100 kg for 6 reps, right? Hopefully it's perfect form, and hopefully it's not like ego lifting. It's actually good form, and you're actually pushing yourself to your limits. And you hit failure on your 6th rep. You try your 7th rep, and you can't get it up, so your gym bro helps you, right? You get 6 reps. Next week, you want to do 100 kg for 7 reps, right? You're not gonna get another rep every single time, but that's the point of progressive overload. Same with bicep curls, bro. Let's say you're doing 20 kg bicep curls for 8 reps, right? Next week you want to do 9. And then the week after that you want to get 10. You know what I mean? That's how progressive overload is made. And that's the only way you're actually going to grow muscle. Right? You want to get a gym friend. Because getting a gym friend, 1, it makes you more motivated to go to the gym. Imagine your friend goes to the gym and you don't. Then you're suddenly, oh, I'm a pussy, I need to go to the gym. I need to get more gains than my friend. Right? And your friend can help you go past failure. Imagine you're on bench press, right? You've hit failure. You're on your 6th rep of 100 kg. You go down, you try to get your 7th and you can't. Then your gym friend assists you and helps you get another couple reps. That's going past failure, bro. That's the most optimal way you can actually train. You go to failure and then you go past failure. I haven't heard anything more optimal in this week than that. And you want to set a goal. You want to set a goal to get a 10 out of 10 body. Because 99% of teen lifters quit going to the gym because they don't have a goal. They just go to the gym because, yeah, going to the gym is healthy. And I don't even know why I'm going to the gym because I just want to get more healthy and yeah, I just want to get some toned body, right? No, make your goal to make a 10 out of 10 body and never stop going to the gym until you get a 10 out of 10 body. Have the mindset, that even if you don't see any results in a whole year, you're still going to carry on going. That's the best way to fucking build muscle. Even if you don't see results, even if you don't see progress, you're still gonna go. That's what separates winners from losers. That's what separates winners from quitters. That's what separates 10 out of 10 Greek gods from average normal people. And you never want to stop. You never want to stop, ever, ever, ever. I want you to imagine you're gonna be that 60-year-old with grey hair that's still jacked, that still has a six-pack, that can still do muscle-ups, right? And I want you to be known as the most known guy in the gym. You're very social, you talk to everyone, you know everyone in the gym and everyone knows you. Everyone asks you for advice because you're a jacked 60-year-old that's been through everything. And you know every single thing about the gym. That's what I want you to be. And I also want you to make it a goal to build a 10 out of 10 body. So you actually never quit and you actually know where you're going, right? If you want to get inspired, just find someone that has your dream body, make it your wallpaper, or even stick it up on your wall. And never stop going until you have that body. Right? Now, you've trained like a maniac, you have a workout split that you stick to. How many times a week do you even want to work out? You want to work out each muscle group 2 to 3 times a week. If you want to let's say this period of focus is on shoulders, chest and back. You want to train shoulders, chest and back 3 times a week and the rest of your body twice a week, if that makes sense. I hope you understand. And it don't really matter how many sets you do, just as long as you push every single set to failure, that's what matters. And obviously the more sets you do, the more you're going to have to recover. But the more sets you do, also the more you will grow. It's just how it works, bro. Right, so now eating well. You're supposed to eat 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Well, it's actually like 0.6 to 1.2. But, fuck that, bro. I want you to eat as much protein as possible, bro. Don't worry about the fucking diet. I want you to exclude everything that you know about diet. I don't want you to overcomplicate anything. I want you to just eat as much food as possible. Obviously, don't eat bad food. Don't eat no Haribos. Don't eat no Jolly Ranchers. Just eat as much food as possible. Because when you're bulking, that's when you're growing the most. The more you eat, like the food that you eat is going to get turned into muscle, right? That's what I want you to imagine. So if you look at this food, is this food going to turn into muscle? Exactly. Is this food going to get turned into muscle? Exactly. Right? You know the concept. So imagine this. Are these eggs going to get turned into muscle? Yes. Is this pizza going to get turned into muscle? No. You understand the point, right? And if you want you should eat carbs before your workout because carbs are what fuels you. So what are carbs? Is like bread, rice, potatoes, whatever. Just eat. To be honest, your mother makes carb loaded food and meat, right? So just eat your mother's food, eat a lot of your food, tell your mother that you want to, right, I'm assuming you're a teenager and your mum cooks for you. So you want to tell your mother that you're making more food and you want to get more food and you want to grow more. So just tell that to your mum and she will help you in your goals. Just keep reminding her until she actually does it, bro. I know it might be a little bit uncomfortable first, and then second, and then third, but just keep reminding your mother, Mum, can you give me some more food? And once you finish, just eat more food. Once you finish, just eat more food. And try and make it a goal to eat 4 times a day. That's when you're going to eat the most, and that's when you're going to grow the most, because you're bulking. You're just eating as much food, and the food gets turned into muscle. That's just how it works, bro. Right, the last step is just sleep well. The way that you can master your sleep, the way that you get the best sleep is by going to sleep every single day at the same time and waking up at the same time. That's when your body knows when to rest, when to make testosterone. It's repetitive. It's the same way. You should go to the gym every single day at the same time too. That's when you grow the most. That's when your body pumps you with testosterone because it knows it's going to get worked out at that time. It's just, you should have everything at the same time. There's a reason schools have timetables, because if they didn't, you'll just go to PE at random time, and then you'll go to science, and then you'll go to and then you'll go to English, and then you'll go to fucking France. It don't make sense. You have to have a timetable for everything. So you should have a timetable when you eat, because that's when your gremlin gets produced, and that's when you get hungry, and that's when your body produces. That's when your body absorbs the food. Every single day at the same time you should eat. Every single day at the same time you should work out, and every single day at the same time you should go to sleep, and then wake up, right? Just repetitive. It's the best way to grow. And with that, you should grow. If you don't, then you need to rewatch this video, because I've mentioned everything you need to know. It wouldn't be in order because this video is not perfect yet. I'm only a beginner at working. I'm only a beginner at giving you advice. I'm going to get better and better, just as you're going to get stronger and stronger and more jacked and more jacked. So, if you want to click the link in my description, you're going to have a step-by-step program on exactly how to get jacked. So, don't be a retard, buy it. It's cheap as fuck.